Ever wonder what it really takes to stock a skincare studio? Well, today I'm unboxing my latest haul from Shay and Company, Cadamolds, and the exact suppliers I use for my shower steamers, my soaps, and my body butters. Let's see what's new and what I'm testing next. If you're new here, I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, where I teach you how to make natural skincare products, grow your handmade business, and show you the different tools that I use in operating my small handmade business here in Vermont. Okay, so the first one I want to show you is Cadamolds. And they always put their pink little paper in there. And I have it on a towel, so hopefully it's not too loud. And this is their globe one, so it's an ornament one. So that's the design right here. And I also want to show you, it's so easy to use. Look at this. So easy to use, and I have a bunch of them. These are the other plates that go with it. Show you that. A zigzag. Snowflake. It's really pretty. Christmas tree. This would be really nice for also for shower steamers. And then this is a plain one. So if I wanted to do a plain shower steamer one, I could do that also, but I'm thinking I want to do a bath bomb gift set with these, and that would be perfect. And then the next one I'm going to show you is I'm already planning for like Valentine's and then also Mother's Day. So this one here is a heart one. Isn't that pretty? And it's nice and big. That's a really good size. You can tell. That's my hand right there. So hopefully that shows that, and it gives the three little thing like that. And also it's very easy to clean. So you just use like a little brush. That's a little pro tip on actually washing these. What I've found is just use a little wire brush like this, and you just go like this on the inside, and it really does help to get all the little things out. And so you have a nice clean mold when you're making your bath bombs or shower steamers or whatever. So there's that. And then the last one is a pumpkin mold. And so you can put things right, so it's deep enough that you could actually put something right inside it. And I'm sure you've seen this on other YouTubers' channels, but I think this is a really nice one. You could put some extra fizzy stuff in there with a little bit extra citric acid, and it gives like a little, from the inside it actually fizzes and foams quicker than the outside. So there's a technique for doing that, and I'll have a video on that later on. So that's upcoming. And I just want to show you the reason I love Cadamolds is it's so easy to work with. So it glides really nice. The edges are all nice and clean, and I've had them for many, many years. I've been buying from Cadamolds for a long time and highly recommend them. So I just want to show you a few of the things that I am purchasing from some of my suppliers. So the next one I want to show you is from Shay and Company, and their packaging is great. And so what I buy from them is some SLSA powder, and this one here is coarse. So I'm trying this out. It has less, coarse has less airborne particles than fine. So this is probably backwards on the screen, but this one's fine and this one's coarse. So I'm trying out the coarse to see if there's a major difference in the airborne particles, because you really want to wear a mask when you work with SLSA. It's a natural ingredient. I have some rose oil extract. That's going to be really nice. I have some evening primrose oil, which is really nice, and this is organic. So I like this to use in body butters. And I have a lot of information on why I use these products in my blog on my website if you're interested. This one's Dakin seed extract. And this I want to use, I'm thinking like facial care, but also body butters and lotions and things like that. There's a lot of really good benefits. Olive squalene, which is really good for serums, facial serums. You could probably use it in your lips too. Sea buckthorn is another one. So this is sea buckthorn fruit extract. And these are 4-ounce bottles. This is 8-ounce. And it's really nice. Their labeling is really nice. So this one's bigger. I can actually see. I gotta put my glasses on. Hold on. So this one here, it just tells you the Inca name, which is really important. And organic primrose is the country of origin, the saponification, the case number, flash point, gross weight, tear, and net. So what is really important on like something like this is the Inca name and also the saponification. Tamanu oil is organic, it's virgin. This one here is really good. Another one that's used in body butters and lotions and things like that. You can use it in soap too. And see, I want to show you. So this one is a jasmine fragrance. It's really nice. It is a little bit perfumey, so that's really pretty. So this one here is a jasmine laying fragrance oil, and it's natural. So this one's really nice. I like this one. This is very, very light, very light. So this would be perfect, I think, for like body butters, lotions, things like that. A nice light fragrance. You don't want a heavy, myself, I like light fragrances. I don't like a lot of heavy perfumes, especially in body butters and, oh, sugar scrubs, that'd be really good for it too. I got, the last two I have is turmeric essential oil. And let me see here. This one I do want to use in, see, I'm thinking body butters, I'm thinking winter, and lotions and things like that, creams and salves. And this one is Blue Tansy, which is really, really nice. And this one has so many properties, antiviral, antimicrobial. It's perfect. And I use it in my, it's a mature face balm for, you know, mature skin. So if you're over 40, it's perfect. But it is oil-based, and so I've been waiting for this to actually make my face balm again, so I'm almost out of it. And then they just provide you with some little droppers, the date on it, on when I received it, so then I know, okay, looking, I need to use this up. It also helps with knowing quickly the shelf life of when you've purchased it, especially when you get like big buckets of like lotion and things like that, or foaming bath butter whip and things. It really does make a difference. You want to know the shelf life, because some are 1 year, some are 2 years, some are like beeswax and stuff like that. You don't really need to do that because it lasts forever. So the next one I want to show you is